Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the tetanus vaccine. The vaccine protects against a toxin produced by Clostridium tetani called tetanoplasm. Protection is provided by supplying the immune system with both the toxin and then components of the Clostridium tetani cell wall. The bacteria possesses the ability to form spores, which are resistant to the harsh outside environment and commonly enter the host through open wounds in our feet, hands, or any kind of breaks in the skin. Once inside, the spore reactivates and the bacteria begins to replicate inside its new human host. Host immune system mounts a defense against the bacteria and kills it, dumping large amounts of this toxin depicted here into the bloodstream. This toxin binds to neurons and is carried through the axon to the presynaptic neuron here at the end. In the presynaptic neuron, neurons are able to communicate with each other, telling muscles to relax and contract by sending signals back and forth across each other. The toxin prevents the cross of inhibitory signals, making them contract constantly, as we see here with this man who looks like he's in one giant muscle cramp that just won't go away. The vaccine is made by treating the toxin with formaldehyde. This process generates a less powerful toxin called a toxoid. The formaldehyde interacts with the N-terminus, which is located here in this gray region, and fixes it and prevents the toxin from entering the neuron at all. This toxoid is then bound to the Clostridium tetani cell wall component called LPS, which we see bound here. LPS helps get the toxoid into the B cell. Once inside, the B cell begins chopping up LPS and the toxoid components. The toxin is then presented on pedestal-like formations called the MHC class II. The MHC class II recruits other immune cells, like these T helper cells, which activate the B cell and cause it to go crazy, forcing them to produce tons of these little antibodies. These antibodies then bind to the LPS component of the bacteria, while also binding to repeated protein patterns within the toxin, preventing further infection from both the bacteria and the toxin. Thank you.